Welcome to Ved Mandir, a sanctuary of Vedic wisdom deeply rooted in the timeless traditions of India. Founded in 1979 by Swami Ram Swarupji in Yol, Himachal Pradesh, Ved Mandir serves as a living repository of the four divine Vedas. Here, aspirants are guided toward a deeper understanding of their cosmic heritage through chanting, daily rituals, and Vedic teachings. Now, thousands are embracing the daily practice of yajna or havan as prescribed in the Vedas. This has fostered greater self-purification, peace, unity, and even environmental harmony. What makes yajna so vital in Vedic tradition? According to Swami Ram Swarupji, yajna is the most potent form of worship. It is a direct channel to the divine, purifying the surroundings, uplifting the practitioner's consciousness, and aligning human life with cosmic order. The ritual of Agnihotra, the simple yet profound offering of ghee or heated milk into the sacred fire, was a daily obligation of every householder in Vedic times. It symbolized renewal, balance, and celestial connection. In essence, Yajna and Agnihotra are not just spiritual acts, they are holistic practices intertwining purification, purpose, and cosmic communion. At Ved Mandir, Yajna is a living tradition. 4 daily yajas are conducted, morning and evening, infused with Ved mantras. Detailed explanations of all 4 Vedas accompany the public ceremonies held on Sundays, Mondays, and on new moon and full moon days. Moreover, the ashram also imparts Vedic values through the performance of the 16 classical sanskars, encouraging vegetarianism, moral disciplines, and selfless living. Standing parallel to Ved Mandir's spiritual mission is the emerging vision of Trambakam Dairy and Agro Products, rooted in organic, sustainable farming principles. Trambakam Dairy and Agro Products prides itself on delivering pure, organic dairy and agro products, nurturing both people and the planet. When combined with Vedic principles like Yajna, organic dairy farming gains a deeper purpose, raising consciousness, purifying energies, and honoring the sacredness of every living being. Why integrate Yajna into organic farming and dairy practices? Yajna elevates the energy of the land, fostering healthy soil and clean surroundings, ideal for organic cultivation. At its core, organic farming respects life and nature. Yajna amplifies this respect through reverence and ritual. When rituals like Yajna become part of farming, they nurture consciousness, connecting farmers, soil, animals, and communities in the teachings of Ved Mandir, Yajna and Agnihotra are not relics of the past, they are living rituals that illuminate our path forward. When we weave them into organic and dairy farming, we sow more than seeds, we sow consciousness, purity, and purpose. Join this journey, where the ancient wisdom of Vedas meets compassionate, sustainable living.
Trayambakam Ghee brings you closer to your roots because Sanatan Sanskriti is the ultimate truth, not the myth.